Kia ora, my name is Grant Robertson and I am the Vice-Chancellor of the University of Otago, Ōtākou Whakaihu Waka. I send my warm wishes to the panel chair and members. I also want to acknowledge the Nanjing University of Chinese Medicine, President Cheng and all of your staff. This partnership is very important to the University of Otago. The University of Otago is New Zealand's first university, founded in 1869, with a rich tradition of academic excellence across a range of disciplines. We rank in the top 1% of tertiary institutions globally, and the reason for that is our relentless focus on academic excellence and quality. We're focused on the quality of the experience of our students. Otago University ranked top in New Zealand for 3 of 4 educational performance indicators. We make sure that everything we do at the University of Otago focuses on the quality of our student experience. We also have quality research outcomes. Our researchers are at the top of their field across the university. We've won awards in areas such as health, law, science and many other disciplines. Recently, Professor Gemma Gagan from the Department of Microbiology and Immunology received the Prime Minister's Science Communication Prize. The third area of quality I want to emphasise is in the employment outcomes for our students. Employers hold our graduates in high regard, with 96% of our graduates going directly into work or further study. We are very proud of our history at the University of Otago and very confident about our future. We look forward to working in partnership with you as we go into that future. Kia ora koutou.